Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NAKD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I'm going to state the obvious, but very nice move today. I mean, when you stop and think about the fact that the price at one point was all the way down here, then managed to close up there, any rational person would say, yeah, today was a very, very impressive move. But that does lead to the valid question now of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce? I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make mapping out that question very straightforward. Or I should really say mapping out the answer to the question. And it all revolves in my mind down here around about 10 cents. Why is 10 cents important? Hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about the 10 cent mark. If the price were to come down to 10 cents, and then just continue on down, what would you have? Well, from a very literal perspective, you'd have the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out of. And again, going back, not a sign of true power or true strength. Whereas let's say the price, does come down here. However, in this situation, behaves like this and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this set of circumstances? Well, you'd have lows right there. You'd have those lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's what you want to see. That's what a truly healthy move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, the quote unquote progress point being defined as 10 cents. What about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are at, going to scrunch things up here to offer up a little bit more context. But that main point of resistance is going to be right up there at 11 cents, which you can see is coming from back here when the price struggled with it. A few days ago. And the price actually got pretty close to it the final 30 minutes, but couldn't quite push through it. But nonetheless, 11 cents is going to be that next key overall area of resistance. But anyway, look at it. Nice movement today. Great bounce. Now it's just a matter and question of can the price build upon this bounce and build upon this momentum? We will see. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.